welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Truda, and today I'm back with another video, but today's a very different video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your lashes with your bonding glue. Today we're not going to be using your normal lash glue, because I feel that sometimes when you go out or you go wherever, or like you're somewhere, you're looking so nice, you snatched, your makeup looks proper, your lashes look nice, and then suddenly they start coming out. Like, lash, why are you ruining my life? Why are you ruining my day? So I think today, guys, I have a solution for you guys on what to use to make sure that your lashes don't come out. So I have this glue over here. This is not your normal lash glue. This is your bonding glue. As you can see, it's written here. It's your bonding glue. It's for bonding. But then it works wonders when it comes to lashes because it makes them last longer. When you apply a bonding glue, your lashes never come out. Like, literally, they would stay for the whole day, or maybe for like more than a day. You never know, depending on how you wash your face and how you take care of your lashes. So guys, today we're gonna be using our bonding glue. This is what I would recommend if you want to have lashes that last for the whole day, or for days, or I don't know. But first forward, you're gonna need your applier, your lashes. So I'll be using, my lashes are finished. I'll be using my lashes from Mr. Price, and then I'll be using this. So I want to make this video short as possible as I can. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna start applying my lashes, and then you guys stay tuned. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like, hit the thumbs up. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna try to put this on top of something. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. It means I have to like open it from the lid. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look like. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my lash. Use the back of this to apply. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. And this is how I'm gonna like apply it over here. And this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna place it down to dry for like a few seconds. But then I think it's best if we use our fan to dry it out so that it won't take forever. Okay, so I'm gonna switch on my fan. I'm gonna place it at 1, but I'm gonna place it at 1, and I'm gonna try to dry my lash so that we can be as quick as possible as we can. I'm gonna hold it like this and draw it. Okay, I think it's dry enough. So is this? Okay, it's this side. Your memory so far. Okay guys, so we're gonna press it down so that it presses with our own natural lashes. I'm gonna try to press it down. think something came into my eyes. Maybe I'm a little bit low. I don't know. We're gonna go ahead and press it down with our lashes, like our original lashes. Okay, this is how it looks like. And then, can you see the difference between with and without? So I'm gonna apply this one, second one. Okay. Okay guys, so here we're gonna be enhancing our eyelashes with our mascara to give it like quite of a volume to lift it up. Okay guys, so we are done. This is how our lashes look like. And this is everlasting look for your entire night. You don't have to worry about anything anymore.